As night falls over Shanghai, Beijing, and Chengdu, a transformation sweeps across the cityscapes. The sun dips below the horizon, and suddenly, the urban landscape is reborn in a dazzling display of color and light. Skyscrapers shimmer, streets pulse with energy, and the city's heartbeat quickens as darkness settles in. Neon signs flicker to life, painting the streets in vibrant hues of pink, blue, and gold. The pulse of nightlife begins, drawing people out of their homes and into the electric embrace of the city. Every corner seems to promise adventure, laughter, and the possibility of new connections. For young people, nightlife isn't just about drinking or dancing. It's a vital ritual, a way to decompress from the relentless pace of work and study. These hours after dark are a time to let go, to recharge, and to rediscover themselves among friends. In these crowded cities, bars and clubs have evolved into modern community centers. Here, people connect, celebrate milestones, and escape the pressures of daily life. The music, the laughter, and the shared experiences create a sense of unity that's hard to find elsewhere. Within these lively spaces, friendships are forged and bonds are strengthened. The collective energy of the crowd offers a sense of belonging, making everyone feel like they're part of something bigger than themselves. This vibrant nightlife scene is a relatively new phenomenon in China's long history, but it has quickly become central to youth culture. It's a space where tradition meets modernity, and where new social norms are being written every night. The generation filling these venues is globally aware and culturally curious. They eagerly blend international trends, music, fashion, and food, with uniquely Chinese experiences, creating a nightlife that's both cosmopolitan and deeply rooted in local identity. For many, nightlife is about more than just fun. It's about joy, connection, and creating memories in glamorous yet intimate settings. Each night out becomes a story, a snapshot of youth and possibility. As we step into this world, we see more than just flashing lights and loud music. We witness the intricate social dynamics at play, friendships forming, relationships deepening, and communities growing stronger. It's a world of fun and excitement, but also one built on a deep sense of collective responsibility. Friends look out for each other, ensuring everyone gets home safe and that no one is left behind. This is where the real story of the night begins, under the neon glow, in the company of friends, and in the heart of China's ever-evolving urban spirit. In a Chinese club or KTV, nightlife is a group affair, tables packed with friends, sharing drinks, snacks, and endless games. The energy is palpable, with laughter echoing through private rooms and music pulsing in the background. Here, the night is not about individual adventures, but about collective joy and togetherness. The focus is inward, on the immediate social circle, not mingling with strangers. Unlike some Western nightlife scenes where meeting new people is the norm, Chinese nightlife is about deepening bonds with those you already know. The group forms a tight-knit bubble, creating a sense of belonging and comfort. Drinking games like dice or chuinyu break the ice and ensure everyone feels included. These playful rituals are more than just entertainment. They're a way to draw everyone into the moment, making sure no one is left out or sitting on the sidelines. It's less about the alcohol, more about sharing the experience and building camaraderie. The act of toasting, sharing snacks, and laughing together strengthens friendships and creates lasting memories. Every gesture, from pouring a drink for a friend to sharing a plate of food, reinforces the group's unity. The group dynamic creates a built-in support system. Everyone arrives together, stays together, and leaves together. There's an unspoken agreement that no one gets left behind, and the night unfolds as a shared journey from start to finish. If someone steps away, their absence is noticed. The group instinctively looks out for each other. Whether it's a quick bathroom break or a friend feeling unwell, the group's attention shifts to ensure everyone is okay. The safety of each member is a shared responsibility, woven into the fabric of the night. Friends offer support, whether it's a reassuring hand on the shoulder or making sure no one is left alone in a crowd. Fun and responsibility go hand in hand, reinforced by the structure of the gathering. The group looks out for each other's well-being, making sure everyone is comfortable and safe, even as the night grows late. Unlike nightlife cultures where individuals drift, in China, the group is the core unit from start to finish. This collective approach means that the night's memories are shared, and the sense of unity lingers long after the music fades. The expectation is clear. Everyone is accounted for and safe by the end of the night. Before heading home, there's often a quick head count or a final check-in, ensuring no one is left behind or forgotten. This social contract is the first line of defense in the vibrant world of Chinese silent promise that each person's well-being matters, and that the group will always have your back. It's what keeps the night both exhilarating and secure, allowing everyone to let loose and celebrate, knowing they're surrounded by friends who care. As the night deepens and drinks flow, a subtle shift occurs. Fun gives way to care, especially if someone becomes too intoxicated. Friends quietly step in, swapping drinks for water, offering snacks, and speaking in softer tones. The goal is to de-escalate and protect, not judge. This instinct extends beyond close friends. Everyone in the group, even acquaintances, participates. Allowing someone to become vulnerable is seen as a collective failure. Protecting them upholds the group's honor. Bartenders and staff may discreetly alert friends or refuse more drinks if needed. Even strangers might offer help if they see someone in distress. There's a shared understanding. Everyone plays a part in maintaining a safe environment. This web of care defines how the group responds when the party goes too far. When a friend becomes intoxicated, the group acts quickly and methodically. First, they create a safe space, seating her comfortably, away from crowds, with one or two friends staying by her side. Someone accompanies her to the restroom, fetches water, and secures her belongings. The group decides together when to end the night, prioritizing her well-being. She's never sent home alone. Friends accompany her to her door, waiting until she's safely inside. If home isn't practical, a hotel or a nearby friend's place is arranged, with someone staying with her. Costs are split without hesitation. Logistics are handled as a team. The process is seamless, a circle of protection ensuring safety over convenience. The idea of leaving someone to fend for themselves is unthinkable. Every step is about care, not just for the individual, but for the group's integrity. This is how the night ends in safety, not disaster. It's a testament to the strength of these social bonds. Safety in Chinese nightlife isn't just the group's job. Staff and even strangers play key roles. Bartenders and waitstaff are trained to spot trouble, cutting off drinks or alerting friends if someone's at risk. KTV attendants keep an eye on guests, bringing water or tea if needed. Security guards help vulnerable patrons get home safely, ensuring taxis are legitimate, and noting license plates. Their presence deters predatory behavior and maintains order. Strangers, too, may step in, especially women or groups, if they see someone alone and in distress. They'll help contact friends or stay until the person is safe. This communitarian ethic is rooted in a shared understanding of nightlife's risks. A moment of collective humanity can turn a bad night into a safe one. It's a quiet but powerful safety net. Consider Mei Lin, a marketing professional in Shanghai. Like many young professionals in the city, her days are packed with meetings and deadlines, but her nights are often spent unwinding with colleagues and friends, sharing laughter and stories in the city's vibrant nightlife. At a colleague's birthday KTV, she drank too much. The atmosphere was lively, filled with music and celebration, and it was easy to lose track of how much she'd had. Her manager noticed, gave her honey water, and told her to rest. He made sure she was comfortable, checking in on her throughout the evening, showing genuine concern for her well-being. Two colleagues, one male, one female, used a ride-hailing app to track her trip home, accompanied her to her door, and waited until she was safely inside. They coordinated quietly, making sure she never felt alone or vulnerable on her way back. Maylene barely knew them outside work, but that night, they treated her like family. Their actions spoke volumes about the unspoken bonds that form in city life, especially when someone needs help. Another story, Li, a student in Beijing, saw his friend Xiao Wen get sick at a bar. The group was out celebrating the end of exams, but when Xiao Wen started feeling unwell, everyone's focus shifted immediately. The group ended the night early, and since Xiao Wen couldn't travel, a friend living nearby took her in. No one hesitated or complained. Their priority was her safety. Two girls walked her home, helped her settle in, and one stayed the night to watch over her. They made sure she had water, a place to rest, and someone by her side until morning. The group didn't leave until they got a text confirming she was safe. Only then did they relax, knowing their friend was truly okay. These stories show how solutions are always tailored to the person's needs. There's no single way to help. Each situation calls for empathy, quick thinking, and teamwork. Safety and comfort come first, no matter the inconvenience. Friends and colleagues willingly go out of their way, putting plans on hold to make sure everyone gets home safely. The group's care is instinctive, not optional. It's a reflex born from trust and shared experience, a silent promise to look out for one another. It's about more than friendship. It's about responsibility. In these moments, the city feels smaller, and the connections between people feel stronger. This is the unwritten rule of the night. In the city's glow, no one is left behind, and everyone looks out for each other. Globally, nightlife cultures differ. In many Western countries, individuality and autonomy are emphasized. People often go out alone, mingle with strangers, and rely on themselves to get home. Friends may help, but the expectation of escorting someone all the way home is less ingrained. The group rarely ends the night together. Responsibility is more personal. In China, the group's integrity and shared responsibility are paramount. The night isn't over until everyone is accounted for. Outsiders may see this as restrictive, but it's a profound expression of care. The collective safety net is a defining feature of Chinese nightlife. No system is perfect, but the cultural framework shapes behavior. In China, group cohesion is a built-in mechanism for protection. Chinese nightlife is a celebration of youth and friendship, but beneath the fun lies a deep current of responsibility. The group's well-being always comes before individual desires. This mindset is taught from a young age and extends into every social sphere. Looking after a vulnerable friend isn't a burden, it's a natural part of being in the group. This culture of care is a powerful form of harm reduction. By ensuring no one is left behind, risks are actively minimized. The group's proactive approach prevents problems before they start. Revelry and responsibility are inseparable. One enables the other. The best nights are measured by how well friends look after each other. True memories are built on genuine care and unwavering support. As the city quiets, the most important story is written, a story of friendship and responsibility. Chinese nightlife's collective safety net offers a universal lesson. Our duty is to ensure everyone we share the night with is safe. These aren't complex rules, but simple acts of kindness, accompanying friends home, staying until they're secure, prioritizing well-being over the party. In a fragmented world, this model reminds us of our interconnectedness. It's a call for young people everywhere to be attentive and see safety as a shared success. The most memorable nights are about the bonds we strengthen and the care we show. The last call should be to check on friends, ensuring everyone is safe. Looking out for one another is the most beautiful light in any city's glow.